As the name laser cutter suggests, our machines do work. That's right, they cut. But is that all they can do? Let's find out.
So, as you can see, there's not only the possibility to cut with the laser, you can also engrave. For example, like on acrylic, there are multiple kind of ways that you can engrave. Right here at the bottom, this would be a normal vector engraving, where you just outline everything. Right here, you can also implement some pictures. This would be a tiger engraving, but just the backside. And of course, if you want to have some deeper engravings like this rose relief here, then you can also do that. That's also possible with the laser. But you cannot always just engrave acrylics. There are multiple different materials that you can engrave. For example, now here, this would be some Cordura textile that we engraved. And it's going to be a card holder in the end, the finished piece. Or there's different variations that you could do with the laser. You could also adjust the laser itself so you can perform a kiss cut. For example, now here on this adhesive tape, where we did just the cut on the tape itself and then left the bottom liner intact. So you have a small little pull tab on the edge of the material.
And do you need to change anything about the laser settings for that?
Yeah, you need to change some parameters for the engraving. The laser itself can stay the same, but you just need to adjust the power and speed, for example. But once you saved everything for that, you can just select it from the database and then start engraving right away.
Thank you.